Pig. Peppa Pig by Kay Reed.
Hi, I'm reading. Look at that hat. Look at that hat. It is a clown hat. Look at that hat. It is a brown hat. Look at that hat. It is a tall hat. Look at that hat. It is a small hat. Look at that hat. It is a green hat. Look at that hat. It is a train hat. Look at that hat. It is a sun hat. Look at that hat. It is a fun hat. Look at that hat. It is a mill hat. Look at that hat. It is a pill hat. Look at that hat. It is a white hat. Look at that. That is a lot of hats. Look at that. That is not a hat. The end. Thanks for listening. What is your favorite hat? My favorite hat is the green hat. Bye.